Hi. Hi.
Stay right where you are.
Hi. Oh.
Turn around so I can see that smile.
He's smiling.
Let's see
He's
that
smiling.
smile.
He's smiling.
Let's see that smile.
Oh boy, what a big girl. I've heard some good.
Do these puppies love Uncle Mark or what?
They do. How are you? Hi guys. Hello. Oh yeah. Look at how strict I've been with you. Come here.
They even gave each other a kiss. Okay. Skyley has adopted every piece of furniture I have.
Have you?
Yes, he has.
Oh.
Will it settle down? No. Never. Okay. Wait for the next episode of Sophie and Skyley.